So because this is a titanium guitar, it has a jack to plug the amp in. Now that feature typically wouldn't be very difficult on a wooden guitar, but on a titanium one, that is a very steep angle that we've got to come in with a 5-axis machine. We tried a couple different methods and ultimately ended up on a very long drill bit. Now, let's talk to Mike Zoke from ISCAR. He's going to kind of walk us through some of those concerns and how we got to where we are. The last feature, I know you were kind of talking from a strategy standpoint, sounded really interesting, utilizing this big drill to put that port in the side of the body.
Yeah, we kind of had a couple different options for being able to get to the plug port here on the side. This is the port from the back side. But to get at a really steep angle coming in at that, we came in and interpolated our way down to get to the flat bottom. The other strategy was to drill the hole while there's still material on the back and then feed mill through it after it's been already done.
When you're doing this out of that solid piece, you've got the solid material to kind of guide that drill
to hold the drill straight. Yeah, and still won't walk off.
Yeah.
That was one of the challenges on getting that steep thing. So different strategies, different approaches to come at the material. That's one thing with the ISCAR. We always bounce the thing off. Everybody has their input on how to get through it, and it really gives us the best solution at the end of the day. No one guy needs to have all the answers.
Out in industry, are you doing a lot of titanium that's this thin wall, kind of a unique shape like that?
Yeah, the main thing I've really enjoyed learning on this one is our new grade, this IC716, is specifically designed for high-temp alloys, and this titanium, it's just far and beyond anything I could imagine on how long they've lasted. I mean,
and you were mentioning doing like an ISCAR case study on this now,
we're gonna do
so that you can push this knowledge out to your customer base.
Yeah, because it is a new grade. We haven't had a lot of exposure to it. We've actually already transferred this to another project. We've worked with Mastercam out on the East Coast, doing a little bit smaller of a part, but it's the same kind of results there, and it's been quite successful. I expect a lot more of it in the future.
Awesome. Well, it's been a joy working with you guys on this project, as it is always with any project. I don't think we would be standing here looking at a finished part if ISCAR wasn't involved. So you guys have really been a great partner, and the results speak for themselves.
It's been fun. It has been fun for sure.
The jack wasn't the only difficult to machine feature on this guitar. There was a lot of other things that went in to make the guitar what it is. And we're going to be talking to Mike Zoke on a few more videos on how we did that.